Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Bobby G. We got another video lined up for you guys today. And I figured I'd kind of go out of my comfort zone a little bit. I know mainly I do like phone cases, unboxings of phones, different phones that I get. Kind of exposing you guys to as much of the technology that I can afford out of my pocket, to be honest. But today we're going to continue that on by doing one that would be really useful for some folks, and for other folks, it might be kind of gimmicky. And I'm going to tell you all the truth, so stay tuned, guys. And that is the Anker, okay? We got the Anker. It's called the Nano Blue. And basically what this is the Anker charger for your wall that has the display on it. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and show you what you get in the box with it. I'll take you through who I feel like this is not for, and then who I feel like this could be really useful for. So you have to stay tuned to kind of get all the details. In the very end, of course, I'm going to ask you guys what your opinions are of it, and if you feel like this is something that will be worthwhile for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this product we've got right here. So this is going to be the box. Full transparency, guys, I 100% have already opened this and started using it. So my bad, you're not going to get that fresh new unboxing experience. But of course, it's super simple. It's going to have a pull tab at the bottom. Then, of course, you're going to open that up. And I tried to recreate this unboxing for y'all. So inside there, you're going to get the usual book that's going to be the starter guide for it. But I'm just going to show you guys, once we get it plugged up, some things you need to know. So save you from reading all this booklet, but you got it if you need it. Then, of course, inside of there, no frills, nothing super fancy. You guys can see, empty box. But the piece de resistance is going to be the product itself, okay? And I'm going to tell you right now, hopefully the lighting in here, hopefully I'm not killing it with too much light. Let me turn this down just a little bit because I don't want to wash out the natural color here. But basically, this is going to be, the one that I have is in blue, okay? So this is a blue version of it. So without wasting your time, guys, so you can see, basically, this is the display right here. Okay, this is the top. So you can put your prongs in this down position that you guys can see right here, or you can actually flip them like this if you want to go straight into your wall outlet, and then that charger will plug in right here at the top. Okay, so here in a second, I'll plug it up just to kind of show you guys. At the top right there, as I mentioned, where you have the plug, you're gonna have a button, kind of like a, like it's not really a button there, it's just, is that haptic? Like it's just gonna basically be a touch sensitive little area that you can change some stuff that I'll show you guys, okay? So all in all, it's a pretty good charger. Now let me kind of bring in for conspiracy for comparison for you guys, a couple of different things. Now this is another Anker charger right here. I forget the exact wattage on here. This is a PowerPort 3 Nano. So let me see if I can Google this real quick and just tell you guys. So for example, this PowerPort 3 Nano is going to be a 20-watt charger. So you guys can see right here for the size comparison, again, that's why I'm doing this. It's a lot smaller, but it's a 20-watt charger. This is a 45-watt smart charger on here, okay, with a display. So it's a lot bigger than, you know, just a basic Nano 20-watt charger. Now, also for comparison, this is going to be, let me see here, y'all. Oh my goodness, man, the eyes get worse as you get older. This is a 20-watt Apple charger. Okay, so again, size comparison. This is a 20-watt Apple charger. So it's going to be more of a square. It's going to be, you know, a lot wider. And you can adjust how the prongs go in there. So again, just giving you guys some quick comparison of some other products. Now, this is one more Anker product, just to give you a comparison. Now, this is a PowerPort 3 65-watt pad. Now with this one, it's a lot longer, but you're going to get more versatility, right? You've got a USB 3. Again, this is 65 watts. You can charge a laptop, your phone, and a USB-A at the same time. And of course, the charger is going to just go, it does have foldable prongs, but it just goes straight out. So what are you getting with this charger that you're not getting with a lot of them is the versatility, again, to be able to plug it straight in like this, or straight into the wall like this. So the adjustability above the prongs and the cool little readout, which I've teased you guys enough about. Let's go ahead and show you what this is. I'm kind of show you the cool things this can do, and then we'll kind of talk through it. Okay, so let's plug it in so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's get that booted up. It's gonna have to wake up here. Let's clean that off so it's looking nice and pretty for y'all. And then you're gonna see it. So, right, you're gonna have a nice little display. This is gonna be the display, kind of like, it has like a screensaver almost. So you got the cool little display there. See, it does little animations, you know, like he's just sitting there chilling. It doesn't really do anything until you plug in a phone. This, I'm just gonna start off with telling you guys straight up front, this charger for the like extra little cool stuff, which I'll show you here in a second. So let's plug in our charger right there on the top. And let me show you, okay? So this, I don't know why I use my extra long cord, but this one right here, hopefully I can do this all with 2 hands. So let's see, I'll bring in my iPhone first. Okay, so this is kind of branded as an iPhone. It's not just an iPhone, but let me see how they say it. They call it a built-in care mode for the iPhone 17. So a recognition for the iPhone 17, 16, and so on and so forth. So basically, long story short, it's going to recognize that it is connected to Apple devices. And I'm not really sure what that does for the charging process because it's supposed to be an AI smart charger. I think that's how they brand it. Let's see here. Anker Nano C charger, just GAN, built-in care mode. So again, it's just a smart iPhone recognition to automatically charge supported iPhones and adjust charging for smarter, safer power delivery. That's what they say. Now it does have 45 watts max charging. And then I'll show you guys once we get charging with the display. So it doesn't mean you can't use it for Android. It's just, let me show you. Okay, so let me move this out of the way, kind of off, but pay attention to the display as you can see right here, I've got an iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's plug it in and just kind of show you guys what I mean by it recognizes iPhone. So we plug that in. Do you guys see that? Hopefully you're able to see that on there. Okay, I want you guys to pay attention to the display on the charger as we plug in our iPhone. Hopefully you guys can see that it recognized, right? It said 17 Pro Max that it was plugged up to. Now you might be asking, does it recognize almost or all Apple products? It's not gonna really fit all the way in the screen. I just wanna show you guys, we're gonna charge, look at this freaking huge. So like the huge 15-inch iPad Pro. Again, look at the display and then see what it tells you when I plug this in. iPad 12.9-inch 2021. So it does intelligently recognize the Apple products it's plugged up to, and it's supposed to adjust accordingly. I think it's just a smart charger that works with everything. For example, let me show you the difference now when you plug up an Android device. Okay, so this is my Galaxy S26 Ultra. So we got the display right there. Bring that in and I plug this up. It just, you see the difference. You didn't get any like fancy, charging an S26 Ultra. So for Android devices, it just charges intelligently, which is not an issue, but you don't get that extra bell and whistle of it detecting what you're plugged up to, if that freaking matters to you at all. If it doesn't matter to you, then don't even worry about it. And you guys can see, of course, the X26 Ultra has higher charging capabilities than what this can put out. This is gonna charge it, or you can see right here already at 45 watts. And it says AI, so it's supposed to be intelligently adapting it. Yeah, I know AI is the buzzword to sell every freaking thing nowadays. So I don't really know what that means. Okay, but let me just show you the what you can do with this display. Okay, so as I mentioned to you, there's not really a button on the top, but there's a kind of like a cutout captive area that when you press it, that's going to be where it shows you a couple of things. Like for example, if you just touch it once, like I did, let me get this away. So if you touch it once, it's gonna bring you to the temperature display, basically how long the charger is running. Now, if you press it one more time, it's going to bring you between the 2 modes that it has. So automatically just, hey, hands off, let it do its thing. It knows how to charge it. It'll adjust based on temperature and charging and all that stuff. Care is going to be more gentle. Care is going to be basically to kind of, I don't know. I don't really know the science involved with it, but it's supposed to be more of a gentle, slower charging and maintaining for battery care long term. If you care about that, it does have that gentle. So you can see the difference in charging output, right? 18 watts for the gentle mode. When I did the automatic mode, it was at, what was it, 39 watts. So let's see, we're gonna throw it back in auto mode and it's switching and you're gonna see it jump from 19. Let's see how high it goes on this one, okay? But basically you can adopt and change the different modes between auto charging, which is gonna do whatever it can maximum do and then adjust based on temperature and the charging capacity, or care, which is gonna be a slower, more gentle charge overall for your phone. Now you can also, because you can switch the orientation of this charger, you can press and hold that button for 2 seconds and you guys see how it flipped the display. So you can flip the display based on how you have this plugged up in the wall. So kind of show you guys all the different features, talk about the differences, yada, yada, yada. Went through kind of yapping for a while. Let me tell you who I feel like this charger is great for, and then who I feel like this charger might be a little bit gimmicky for. Okay, you guys can see in the screen right now for this 11 minutes we've been going right here. I've been holding this huge desktop charger, meaning a charger that will fit on the top of your desk. Because if you want to enjoy the whole $27, what this is running right now on Amazon, $27.99. Charger the display, which you're buying it, right? You want to see that cool display and the, you know, the little animations and the AI features. That's what you're paying for. Otherwise, you would just go buy a regular faceless Anker charger like this, right? So if you want to enjoy this, you're gonna want to use this charger somewhere up top, like where you can see it. Like, you know, if you have your charge station set up in your kitchen, you plug this into a wall charger, then you'll be able to see your display. Or if you have something like this, like I've got a desktop charger, I can turn this around, I don't know, and I can just see the display, right? I can see the enjoyment of what I'm paying for this price. Now, if you're like me, I pulled this from another area, so I don't have this in my office where I film these videos. But if you're like me and you don't, all your power strips and your surge protectors are under your desk, you're not really getting the benefit of what you're paying for. Like, I feel like the majority of what you're paying for right here is that cool display and those animations. You're not really getting it. So in my opinion, this is gonna benefit someone that has a desk setup, right? With a charger that you can plug up right on top of your desk so you can see your really nice display. Or you have it in an area where you have a wall charger up high, maybe right behind your desk, just something like that, where you can see this display. Kitchen area, office, wherever. That's who I feel like will enjoy this the most. Obviously, it's your money, spend it the way you want to. If you have a power strip on the floor and you don't care if you see the display, hey, it's your world, right? I'm just reporting the news. But that's all in all, guys. I want to make this too long. Again, right now you can snag this on Amazon for $27.99. It is a limited deal. What I would recommend is try it out. Like Anker chargers, I've had phenomenal experience with them over the years. I love their products. They've never sponsored me like that. This is personally with my own money, so these thoughts and opinions are my own. But hopefully this will help you guys in making a decision. Go to the comment section. Let me know if you feel like you'll buy this, if it's not worth it, if you enjoyed the video, whatever it may be. Let's have a conversation in the chat. Appreciate you guys so much for your time. Use the link in the video description to purchase it to help support the channel. No additional cost to you, but it does give me a little bit of a help to keep bringing you content like this, guys. It's your boy Bobby G, appreciating your time, and hopefully I didn't ramble, and hopefully my point came across. This is a really great charger for a specific group of people. That was my main takeaway for you guys, okay? So if you stuck around to the end, I want you guys, let's see, I'm gonna throw out kind of a different thing to see if people are watching to the end of these videos. Comment in the section below this video, charged. Okay, so if you stay to the very end and you see this right here, comment charged and then add your additional thoughts to it. Now it does come in a couple of different varieties before I let you guys go. I've got it in the blue, but it does come in orange, white, and black as well. All the same price. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got something out of this. Appreciate you so much. It's your boy Bobby G, and I'm out. Peace.